Welcome to Obliga.com. Log in to your account on Obliga. After login, click on Voice Manager on left-hand menu option. Now, click on Send Call. Scroll down. You can capture voice conversation by both method, either from audio file or text-to-speech conversation. In this video, I will guide you to send text-to-speech calls with Auto Reply SMS and voice conversation. Select voice name from 4 audio human-like voices. Here I have selected female 1. Select pitch rate. Enter your voice text-to-speech content. In content, I have mentioned a text line that if you are satisfied with this audio, then press 1. Click on voice conversation, means who will press 1. We can check those numbers. Now, click on Auto Reply SMS. In Keypress, enter 1. You can send Unicode SMS also. Now enter your SMS content. This content will be sent as an SMS when somebody will press 1 during call. You can reschedule the call as per your need. You can send voice call to groups also. Right now, I am sending call by adding contacts manually. Click on Remove Duplicate Mobile. You can schedule the calls on particular time also by Send Schedule Calls option. If everything is okay, then click on Submit. Check the preview and then click on Continue Submit. On top of your screen, you will see Call Successfully Sent message. Now, go to Delivery Report. You will see your campaign reporting here. Now, wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see the report of your campaign. As you can see, the number is answered in my report. Also, you can see the Keypress Report, who have pressed which key. Now, click on Report Details for further details. That's it. Now you have learned how to send voice call with Auto Reply SMS on Obliga platform. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice time.